Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Morning Podcast. Now let's see how the market have done in the yesterday's trade. Sensex has gained 0.93%, settling at 75,074. Nifty has gained 0.89%, settling at 22,821. Nifty Mid Cap 100 has gained 2.24% and Small Cap 100 has gained 3.29%. Now let's look at the gainers and losers of Nifty 50. The Nifty 50 gainers are Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, Shriram Finance, SBI, Infosys, NTPC, Coal India, Eicher Motors, ONGC. While the losers are Hindalco, Hero MotoCorp, HUL, Asian Paint, M&M, Nestle India, IndusInd Bank, Cipla, Britannia and Axis Bank. Now let's look at the sector-wise performance. BSE Realty was the highest gainer at 4.85%, followed by BSE Industrial at 3.69%, BSE Cap Goods at 3.42%, BSE Power at 2.87%, BSE IT at 2.86%, BSE Energy at 2.34%. Now let's look at the market breadth. 3012 stocks have advanced while 831 stocks have declined. Now let's look at the 52-week high and low. 83 stocks have scaled 52-week high like Bajaj Auto, Bector's Food, Finn Cables, Heritage Food, M&M, V-Guard. While 22 stocks had trading at 52-week low. Now let's look at the FII/DI numbers. The FII were the net sellers to the tune of 6,867 crore while DII were the net buyers to the tune of 3,718 crore. The benchmark US indices overnight closed on a mixed note while Dow Jones closed 20 points higher. Nasdaq and S&P ended with marginal declines amid weak labor data which suggest weekly jobless claim rises to 2.29 lakh versus 2.20 lakh a week back. The market will focus on monthly non-pharma payroll data due on Friday. RBI MPC will announce its key policy rate today and domestic market will keenly watch the RBI commentary, outlook of economy and interest rate trajectory going ahead. Asian market are currently trading on a mixed note, hence we expect a muted start for our market today. Now let's look at the stock in news. ICICI Bank. The SEBI has issued an administrative warning to the bank regarding the outreach by bank employees to influence vote for delisting equity shares of ICICI Securities. This remains negative for the stock. Hero MotoCorp, India's largest two-wheeler maker, picked up an additional 2.2% stake in Bangalore-based electric mobility startup Ether Energy for 125 crore. This remains positive for the stock. Wipro, the company has been awarded a $500 million deal by the leading US communication service. The contract value is around 4,175 crore. This remains positive for the stock. Rail Vikas Nigam. The company received a LOA from NTPC for a project worth rupees 495 crore. This remains positive for the stock. Mastech. The company introduced ICX Pro platform with NVIDIA AI. ICX Pro is a cloud-native platform designed for building scalable AI apps. This remains positive for the stock. Bajaj Finserv. The board of Bajaj Housing Finance has approved an IPO of 4,000 crore. This remains positive for the stock. PB Fintech. SEBI issues SOCOS notice to CEO Yashish Dahiya and it sent a notice over the investment of $2 million by a Dubai unit for a 26.7% stake in YKNP Marketing Management. The company is seeking legal advice on the same SEBI notice. This remains negative for the stock. Tata Steel. NCLT has approved the scheme of amalgamation of Bhubaneswar Power with the company. This remains neutral for the stock. Alchem Laboratories. The company will make an investment of 30 crore in compulsory convertible preference shares of Haystack Analytics. This remains positive for the stock. Rights. The company has received an order from Tata Steel for loco hiring along with operation and maintenance. This remains positive for the stock. Tata Chemicals. The UK court ordered Tata Chemicals Europe to pay JPB 1.1 million fine. The order relates to the safety incident that occurred in 2016. This remains negative for the stock. Dixon Technology. The company signed a term sheet with HKC Corp for the prospective joint venture. This remains neutral for the stock. Muthoot Microfinance. The company entered into a co-lending agreement with SEBI to empower women entrepreneurs. This remains positive for the stock. Wellspun Enterprise. IOCL Pay 23.7 crore to the company towards the full and final settlement of claims relating to Panipat Naphtha cracker project. The company filed a suit before the Delhi High Court against IOCL in 2018. This remains neutral for the stock. Now let's look at the bulk deals. Arman Financial, Elevation Capital 5 sold 1.29 lakh shares at rupees 2290 per share. BL Kashyap and Sons, Embassy Property Development Private Limited sold 18.25 lakh shares at 78.3 per share. NCC Small Cap World Fund sold 31.69 lakh shares at 308 per share. PB Fintech, Tencent Cloud Europe PV sold 33 lakh shares at 1259 per share. Propex Corporation, Wisdom Trust AC, Wisdom Tree India Investment Portfolio sold 1.81 lakh shares at 777 per share. Now let's look at the insider trades. Raymond, promoter Cephalia Rulai bought 13,187 shares between May 31 June 3. Penner Industries, promoter Aditya Narsingh Rao bought 15,750 shares on June 4. Marks and Pharma, promoter Sandra Saldana bought 63,276 shares on June 5. Jensal Engineering, promoter Anmol Singh Jaggi bought 53,945 shares on June 4. Krishna Diagnostic, promoter Krishna Diagnostic bought 45,000 shares on June 4. Pledge share details. Lloyd Metals and Energy, promoter Triveni Earth Movers created a pledge of 29.28 lakh shares on June 4. India Cement, promoter EWS Finance and Investment revoked a pledge of 33,000 shares on June 4. Omex, promoter Guild Builders Private revoked a pledge of 2.98 shares between May 31 to June 4. Prime Focus, promoter Naris Mahendranath Malhotra revoked a pledge of 2.11 crore shares on June 4. Now let's look at the trading tweets. Today is the ex-record dividend for India Mart Intermesh, Home First Finance, Himadri Specialty Chemicals, ICICI Lombard General Insurance, the Indian Hotels, Gem Financial, SMC Global Securities and Unum India. Today is the ex-record for AGM for Himadri Specialty Chemicals, SMC Global Securities and Indian Bank. That's it for today. Thank you for listening.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.